Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice from the topic Ancient History of India, which are highly expected to come in SSC, FCAT, or any other exam. So, without any delay, let's get started and crack it together. So, the very first question from ancient Indian history is, in the Rig Vedic period, the word Niksha was used for what? So, the answer is ornament. That is option B. Question number 2. In Ashoka's inscription, the word Priyadarshini refers to what? So, the answer is again option B, that is Ashoka himself. Question number 3. In which scripture is the word Sapta Sindhu mentioned? So the answer is option C, that is Rig Veda. Question number 4. Who is considered the first Jain Tirthankara? So the answer is option C, that is Rishabhnantha. Question number 5. Which Buddhist text contains a detailed biography of Gautama Buddha? So the answer is option B, that is Buddha Charitra. Question number 6. Who was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty removed by Chanakya? So the answer is option B, that is Dhanananda. Question number 7. Who propounded the Saptanga theory? So the answer is option A, that is Kautilya. Question number 8. At which archaeological site was the bronze statue of dancing girl found? So the answer is option D, that is Mohenjo-daro. Question number 9. The drama Mudra Raksha describe which historical event? So the answer is option C, that is coronation of Question number Chandragupta 10. What was the Maurya main reason for the fall of Maurya Empire? So the answer is option B, that is weak successors. Question number 11. What was the funeral practice in the Harappan civilization? So the answer is option D, that is burning in graves. Question number 12. Who allowed women to join the Buddhist Sangha? So the answer is option C, that is Buddha. Question number 13. In which language were the Tripitaka texts were written? So the answer is option C, that is Pali. Question number 14. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? So the answer is option D, that is Bodh Gaya. Question number 15. Who was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism? So the answer is option C, that is Mahavira. Question number 16. What was the most powerful tribute in the Vedic period? So the answer is option C, that is Kuru. Question number 17. Who was the Sabhapati in the Vedic period? So the answer is option C, President of the Assembly. Question number 18. Which Mauryan emperor is associated with the composition of Athashastra? That is option D, none of the above, because the answer is Kautilya. Question number 19. Where was the second Buddhist council held? So the answer is option B, Vaishali. Question number 20. Who built the Sanchi Stupa? So the answer is option A, that is Bindusara. Question number 21. Who founded the Nanda dynasty? So the answer is option A, that is Mahapadma Nanda. Question number 22. Which foreign traveler described Chandragupta Maurya's reign? So the answer is option C, that is Meghadnis. Question number 23. In which script are most of Ashoka's inscription found? So the answer is B. That is Kharosthi. Question number 24. Who were the Dhamma Mahatmas? So the answer is option B. Special officers under Ashoka. Question number 25. Who was the teacher, that is Guru of Chandragupta Maurya? So answer is question option D, that is all of the person, that is Vishnugupta, Kautilya and Chanakya, all of the person were the Guru of Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 26. Where did Buddha give his first sermon? So option is C, that is Sarnath. Question number 27. What is the core principle of Jainism? So the answer is option C, that is non-violence. Question number 28. Who founded Patliputra? So answer is option C, that is Udain. Question number 29. Which age does the Harappan civilization belong to? So answer is option C, that is Bronze Age. Question number 30. What was the main port of Harappan civilization? So answer is option B, Lothal. Question number 31. What is the correct order of events in Buddha's life? So answer is option B. Question number 32. Information about Mahajanapadas is found in which text? So answer is option C. Question number 33. Which Mauryan emperor was called Devanampaya and Priyadarshini? So answer is option C, that is Ashoka. Question number 34. Who was the last ruler of Nanda dynasty? So the answer is option B, that is Dhanananda. And the last question is, what are considered the oldest Shrutis, that is scriptures? So answer is option B, that is Vedas. I hope you found these questions helpful and learned something new. All the best, my warriors. Jai Hind.